Hello everyone. So this is Shoaib Ahmed and today I come with the topic which actually confuses us a lot, and this is why it is called as a confusion matrix. So those who are not aware about confusion matrix is basically a basic evaluation parameter which help a data scientist to evaluate the performance of a machine learning model into a four quadrant, which is called as a TP: true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. To explain this topic with the example, so I collect two leaves from my garden. One is the non-damaged leaf, and one is the little bit damaged leaf. So imagine the scenario that we have a computer vision model that designed for binary classification between a damaged and non-damaged leaf. Now we try to understand using this difference between these four quadrant: true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. So first start with the true positive. So if I pass the image of this leaf to my computer vision model, and my model detect this leaf as a non-damaged class, and it detect is as a positive. So because this leaf is actually a non-damage and this is true, so that's why it's called as true positive, which means it is a positive non-damage and this statement is true, so it's called true positive. Now, and when I pass the image of this leaf to my model, and model detect this leaf as a damage class, which is a negative class, and actually this leaf is a damage, so this statement is true. So that's why we call this thing as a true negative, which means it is a negative class damage one and this statement is true, so it's called as a true negative. And same when my model detect the image of this leaf as a non-damaged class, means a positive class, but in actual this leaf is a damaged leaf, so this scenario called as a false positive, because my model detect this as a positive class non-damaged, but actually it's a false statement, so that's why we call it as a false positive. Vice versa, when we pass a non-damaged leaf to a model, and model detect the image of this leaf as a damaged class, which means a negative class, but actually this is not negative, this is a non-damaged leaf, so that's why we call this statement as a false negative. Negative why? Because model detect this as a negative, and false because it is a false statement, so this is called as a false negative. I hope now you understand and you are very much clear with the confusion between true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. And if you like my video, do subscribe and follow me. Thank you so much.